Hi guys. This is Chandu Enti. What is the full stack developer? First of all are so many doubts in what is the full stack developer. Full stack developer means it is a web developer. Is a person you can develop both client software and server software. Client software means it is the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, Angular, React.js, and server software like backend, PHP, ASP, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, and Express.js. This is the different types of using the full stack developer. And database means it is a SQL and MongoDB and MySQL and different types of using the database also. First of all, what is the full stack developer? Full stack developer means is a person who can develop both client and server software, program a browser like JavaScript, jQuery, Angular, and program a server like using PHP, ASP, Python, and database like using SQL and MySQL. What is HTML? HTML is a standard markup language for web pages. With HTML, you can create your own website. HTML is easy to learn. You will enjoy it. This HTML, and HTML standard for hypertext markup language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating the web pages, and HTML describes the structure of the web pages, and HTML consists of a series of elements. ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ టోటల్గా హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ అనేది చాలా ఈజీ. ఇది డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్యాగెస్ ఉంటాయి. ట్యాగ్స్, డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. సిఎస్ఎస్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఫర్ cascading style sheet. It described how HTML element are to be displayed on screen. It means papers or in other media. Save a lot of work. It is control the layout of a multiple web pages all the once. The external worksheet is stored in CSS files only. It is called a CSS. JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language. JavaScript is the programming language of the web, and it is easy to learn the JavaScript. It is using to HTML and CSS and update versions of the JavaScript. It is a library and using the script of concept of this is JavaScript. What is jQuery? jQuery is a lightweight, write less or do more JavaScript library. It is also JavaScript library. The purpose of the jQuery is to make it much easier to use JavaScript on your website. jQuery take a lot of common tasks that require many lines of the JavaScript code to in this method that can be called with a single line of code. Then it is called a jQuery. What is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a free front-end framework for faster than the web developer. Bootstrap means include HTML and CSS based design templates for forms, buttons and tables, navigation, models, images and more, and other, as well as optional of JavaScript plugins. Bootstrap also gives you the ability to easily create a responsive design. It is called a Bootstrap. Angular is a extension of HTML with no attributes. Angular JS is a perfect for single page application. Angular is a JavaScript framework. It can be added to an HTML pages with a script tag. Angular JS extend HTML attribute with directives and binding data to HTML with extension. It has a write less code and two-way data binding, reusable HTML component and power of MVVM. Angular. React.js is a JavaScript library and building user interface. React is used to build single page application. React allows us to create a reusable UI component. React is sometimes referred to a front-end JavaScript framework. Is a JavaScript library created by Facebook. React is a tool for building UI component. Then it is called a React.js. It is the totally the front-end developer to use the React.js. Thank you for watching this video. I complete the total definitions of web developer and full stack developer. Thank you. Thank you for watching.